Hi everyone, Tanjay Lewis here. It's nice to see some familiar faces and names. Congrats to us for making it this far in our journey of becoming social workers. So, the type of agency that I will be completing my field placement is a substance abuse organization. They help patients who are struggling with addictions to drugs or alcohol. What's really cool here is that they take patients who don't have insurance, um, but are seeking the help. And then they also primarily work with patients who have been mandated to attend some type of addiction program. I'm most excited to learn and to get a feel of what it's like to be in the field and actively helping people. I'm also excited to make mistakes and be able to learn from them and be taught how to do things differently or do things better than maybe what I think. I'm most excited about helping people and just actively being in the field and not only taking a course or reading a textbook. And I'm excited to learn and grow. One of my concerns in this particular field would be accidentally saying or doing something that would lead a patient to relapse or use whatever substance that they are here getting help for. And also, a concern for me is that I am currently working full time while completing the internship. So I am a teacher from 7:30 to 3:30 and then an intern from 5 to 9 and 30 minutes away from home. So I'm just concerned with being tired, giving both things my all. My plan for managing my concerns are first and foremost to be prepared, whether that's meal prepping and getting enough sleep at night and really prioritizing self-care. And then as far as my concern for being in the field, I think it's going to be really important for me to stick to the script and to share my concerns with the people I am working with so that I can be taught the language and different things to prevent my fear. Thank you.